Hello and welcome! Today, we're diving into travel hacks specific to major US airports that can make your trip smoother, faster, and less stressful. Whether you're flying through a massive hub or a regional gateway, knowing the quirks of each location will give you an edge. We'll cover 4 major airports, unpacking unique tips for each one. Airport 1. John F. Kennedy International Airport, New York. JFK is one of the largest international gateways in the US. Use the AirTrain ahead of time. JFK's dedicated transit system connects terminals, parking rail, and subway links. Planning this before you go helps you avoid confusion upon arrival. When booking, allow extra connection time. Since it's a large airport, changing terminals or clearing customs, immigration can take time, even for domestic layovers. If you're departing from JFK and have a long layover, explore terminals. Some less trafficked concourses often have shorter security waits and better seating for arrival. If you're picking up someone, use designated cell phone waiting areas instead of circling the terminal. Many major airports have these. Consider time of day. Early morning departures tend to face fewer delays compared with later in the day, when traffic and weather disruptions build up. Airport 2. San Francisco International Airport, California. SFO is the primary international airport for the Bay Area and highly rated for its convenience. SFO has inline baggage screening built into its system, meaning your checked bag is screened during handling, rather than you needing to do extra steps later. If you have a long layover, look for one of the less busy terminals or lounges. Talented travelers bring a small multi-port charger or power bank to ensure they have personal power. Airports like SFO have outlets, but competition is high. For parking, check pre-reservations or off-site lots. At large airports, especially on the West Coast, remote lots save money and often shuttle you in faster than circling the main garage. Download airport map apps or use the official SFO app ahead of time so you know where terminals, restrooms, food, and transit links are on a fresh arrival. You'll thank yourself. Airport 3. Logan International Airport, Boston. Boston's Logan Airport is the busiest airport in New England and a major hub for both domestic and international flights. Use the SL1 Silver Line bus and airport station for access to from downtown Boston. If staying in the city, this can avoid expensive parking for international departures or arrivals. Pay attention to which terminals serve which flights. The layout is somewhat segmented. When you arrive early, head to the quieter ends of the terminal for a more comfortable wait. The gates nearer the hub can become crowded and loud. In colder months, dress in layers. New England airports tend to get drafty inside the terminals and during transfers. Also, being early gives you flexibility if you need to switch flights due to weather disruptions. Airport 4. Ronald Reagan, Washington National Airport, Washington. DCA is located very close to downtown Washington D.C, making it convenient, but it also has unique constraints, noise restrictions, perimeter rules. Because DCA is so central, arrive somewhat earlier. If you're driving to the airport, traffic near the capital can be unpredictable. Take advantage of the metro subway link if available. It can save the hassle of parking and shuttle transfers. If you're doing a short domestic flight, DCA may be one of the more convenient options thanks to its location. But if it's an international flight, check if you might be better off using the larger nearby airport. For example, Washington Dulles International Airport for more direct options. For departing after work hours or during major events in DC, security and traffic might slow down, so build in buffer time. Universal hacks you can apply at any airport. Enroll in the programs like Transportation Security Administration, PreCheck, or US Customs and Border Protection, Global Entry to speed through security and customs. Pack smart. Wear your bulkier items. Keep electronics and liquids easily accessible, and label your luggage distinctively so it's easily identifiable. Bring your own charger, power bank, rather than relying on public charging stations, which may be full or insecure. Download the airport's map or a travel app in advance so you're not scrambling once you arrive. If you know the quiet zones or less traffic terminals at those airports, use that to your advantage to relax, recharge, or get work done. Each major US airport has its own character, strengths, and pain points. By being prepared with specific hacks for airports like JFK, SFO, BOS, and DCA, and applying those universal smart practices, you'll travel more efficiently and less stressed. Here's to smooth journeys ahead. Thanks for watching. If these airport hacks help you travel smoother, hit subscribe, fly smarter, for more insider tips every week. Until next time, fly smarter, travel better.